it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this gorgeous short bob, well, mohawk style wig from Bobbi Boss. So if you're interested in this unit, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I have this unit from Bobbi Boss, and this one is brought to you by DivaTress.com. So if you're interested in purchasing this unit, I will leave links down in the description box so you all can go and check that out. So for more details, please wait towards the end of this video. But for now, let's get into the specs of this unit. Now, in today's video, I have this unit from Bobbi Boss, and her name is Miki, M-I-K-I, and I have her in the color DLTP/LV. So this is like a violet lavender type of color. I absolutely love the color on this unit. It is so pretty and it's so bold, and it also has like a one beat towards the end. Well, with this particular unit, it's more of like a mohawk style type of unit. So I will show you what the back of the wig looks like, and then I will give you more of the specs of this unit. So this is what the back of the wig looks like. It is more like a mohawk style, like what they have these days. They have this type of mohawk finish, and kind of swoops off to the side a bit, or you could bring it into the middle if you would like this, or it's more nicer off to the side, you know, to give it a nice little style there. But it is quite nice, and I do like that type of style with this unit here. And it does come just like this. So as you all can tell here, it has that type of swooped off style, and how the edges look like as well on the sideburns, I should say. This is what it looks like off to the side as well on the sideburns. It's the same type of finish that you're getting with this unit. At the top, it has more of the color, more of the lavender, more of the purple up top, and it's also peeking through in this unit. So as you all can tell here, I'm combing in through here, and you will see the colors and the nice mixtures. I do love the colors. It's very vibrant and it's popping. I love that about this wig. As you all know, I really love colors on my unit, so I like to play around with different colors. So this one was very pretty. On the model here, as you all can tell, she has the same color, and I absolutely love that color there. And it comes with a variety of other colors as well, which I will mention in the description box, so you all can go ahead and check that out before you go ahead and purchase it. But this is what it's looking like here. It's a little snug on me, just a little bit. So if you do have a larger size head, keep that in mind. It's not tight, so it does fit really well. It doesn't look crazy, so keep that in mind. It is a little bit snug, but it's not uncomfortable, which is good. If you have a smaller size head, you're good to go. So yeah, this is what the wig is looking like here. So at the crown of the head, it has like a lace mesh, so it does give off a more natural cap feel to it. In terms of the cap, the internals of the cap, there are no combs, just adjustable straps, but it does fit really well and pretty secure on my head. So if you're kind of concerned with that, you can go ahead and add any like clip-on type of combs or anything like that to kind of give off a more nice fit if you think you need that extra security. But I don't think you need that. The adjustable straps does it pretty well for me, and it does look pretty good, nice as well. I love this color. I think they have like a green also, so you could go ahead and check that out on DivaTress.com. I surely love that color as well. It looks really good, but there's something about this purple is giving off very me. I love the color. It looks very beautiful, and I just love everything about this wig. With this unit isn't new per se. It's been out for quite some time. I think about almost 4 years already. So it's been out, but this type of style is coming back very slowly. The mullets and the mohawks are coming back. So as you all can tell, this can be, you know, your introduction to that style. If you're unsure about it, you can definitely introduce yourself to that style with this wig. So definitely go ahead and check out this unit. All the links will be down below, and which colors are an additional fee and which one isn't, and all of that good stuff. You can definitely check that out on DivaTress.com. Thank you so much, DivaTress, for allowing me to review this unit. I truly appreciate it. And also, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below, and I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.